Yo, this smartphone camera is insane. This smartphone has the best camera according to DxOMark. I'm going to put that to the test in this video and talking to you about 5 cool features of Anna's latest flagship, the Honor Magic 5 Pro. I'm Quan, welcome back to the channel here on Quan Reviews. So let's talk about the impressive camera in a moment, but first, one of the 5 cool features is the overall design. Everything from the back finishing that helps hides fingerprints, and this color combo makes the Magic 5 Pro both premium and really nice in the hand. The second cool feature of the Honor Magic 5 Pro is the front quad curve display that again has a DxOMark 4, the highest rating display, and you can see why. Great punchy vibrant colors and contrast, and that's evident when you're scrolling, playing games, swiping and viewing content. There's also the 2160 pWm dimming feature, which helps reduce eye strain, and you also have a pill cut out for the dual front-facing selfie camera paired with a 3D timer flight for better depth sensing and more reliable biometrics. The third cool feature is what I'd consider to be a main highlight, and that's the incredible triple camera on the back, made up of a 50-megapixel main f1.6 pad with a 50-megapixel f3.0 periscope telephoto, and finally a 50-megapixel f2.0 for the ultra-wide. So there's 2 other minor details in the camera module that show Honor's attention to detail and help make this camera really that little bit extra. So you have a laser autofocus and a dual light LED with a sensor that can help detect flicker, so it delays it slightly so you don't see it mess up your photos. Now let me show you some of the shots that I was able to get. There's good details across the different focal lengths with natural colors and good dynamic range, and the fact that Honor have kept similar lenses across their camera array means you get good consistency in shots taken ultra-wide all the way through to 10x look nice, and though the automatic 5 Pro can go up to 100x, those images as see from these details, they lack some of the clarity, but it does demonstrate what can be done with the camera in terms of the periscope zoom functionality, and it's still a fun feature to have on this camera array now. It's not only hardware but software too that enhances the camera experience, and there's a range of functionality including something called motion sensing capturing on. Now this allows the phone to automatically take pictures of subjects where they're about to jump without you having to manually press the shutter. Now I had mixed experience with this, but was able to capture myself jumping in these various shots. Now another feature where the camera shines is in low-light photos. Night mode shots are faster than other devices have tested out with night shots, and Honor's software cranks it up to give more details from those images taken across the focal lens. I was really impressed with the results. Right guys, time to test out the video on the Honor Magic 5 Pro. So currently being filmed 4K 30 frames per second as I normally do, and this is starting off in ultra-wide, gives you an idea of how it performs, what it's like overall. I've been really impressed with the video because I feel like the colors, the saturation, the quality overall is pretty decent, and the fact that those camera lenses are all pretty much the same gives you consistency throughout. So if I start moving into 1x, which is over there, this should give you an idea of what 1x looks like and feels like, and then let's go to 4x over there and a bit more shakier as I'm moving around. But still overall in terms of quality you have that. Now let's go all the way up there, have a closer look at those buildings at 10x. What do you guys think? Bring it back to 1x? Yeah, let me know on the quality of the video stabilization, but also the audio. What do you think of the video capabilities of this device? Right, one of the other features that I have really enjoyed using is this front-facing selfie for video, because you get really good angles when you are filming. It does perform really well in terms of this is currently being filmed 4K 30 frames per second. It's nice and smooth. Hopefully you can hear me nice and clearly as well, but check this out, look how wide the angle is. So we're currently at 0.7x, we can go in a bit closer, that's 0.8x, still pretty wide, and then if you want to go with the standard 1x, then that is what it looks like. But I just love it when it's like pulled out, because it just gives so much more depth, especially if you're going to be using this for selfie videos or talking about something that's happening around you or where you are in that moment. Thanks for watching this video.